Here's the strange trade-off. A deadline makes you faster, but it also makes you dumber. Speed goes up, thinking goes down. Today, we look at why the clock helps and hurts at the same time. Without a deadline, work expands forever. You open a task, you tweak it, you research, you wander. The page sits half-finished. The week ends with no shipped work. The open task becomes the cost. Add a deadline and something snaps into focus. The brain picks one path. Side tasks drop, email closes, the chair pulls in. Attention narrows onto the single next step that ships the work. This is the speed gain. Parkinson's law says work fills the time you give it. Cut the time, and the work shrinks too. A 2-hour task done in 30 minutes is not magic, it is pressure. But here is the cost. Under pressure, the brain switches modes. It stops exploring and starts grabbing. It picks the first idea, not the best idea. Options that need more thinking get cut. Researchers call this cognitive tunneling. Your view narrows like a flashlight beam. You see the next step in front of you, but you miss the wider picture, the side risks, and the smarter alternative path. You also stop checking your work. Quality control needs slack time. Without slack, typos slip in, numbers go unverified, and the draft ships with small mistakes that cost you trust later. Stress hormones add to the problem. Cortisol rises. Working memory shrinks. You forget the second item on your own list. The deadline that gave you focus is now eating your short-term memory. So the trade-off looks like this. Short deadlines give speed and focus, but cost depth and quality. Long deadlines give depth and quality, but cost speed and shipping. Neither side is free. The fix is not picking one side. The fix is matching the deadline to the task. Routine tasks get tight deadlines. Creative tasks get loose deadlines. You stop using one clock for every kind of work. Try this simple split. First, a thinking block with no deadline. Explore options, sketch, and question. Second, a doing block with a hard deadline. Pick one path and ship. 2 modes, 2 clocks. So, the deadline is a tool, not a rule. Use it to ship, drop it to think. Faster and dumber is only a problem when you forget which mode you are in. Pick the clock on purpose.